5 years we were looking for 1 BHK. उस वक्त हमने पहली बार हारमनी देखा था. हारमनी हमें तभी बहुत पसंद आया था. But we were little sad because we wanted 1 BHK और उनके पास 1 BHK नहीं था. And when after 4 years I again started for searching a new home. तो we were looking for 2 BHK. तो फर्स्ट दिमाग में आया कि यार पहले हारमनी चलते हैं. When we came to Harmony, we got 2 BHK and we were very happy with 2 BHK. It was so spacious, very nice, good amenities. Everything was quite good.
Well, when we bought this apartment in 2007, we were wondering whether we'll get the possession on time or not. But at the end, in 2008, as promised by the builder, the possession was on time. Well, I would say I got the possession 2 months earlier to the possession date, which was the best part, where I got an opportunity to shift here immediately and start my life with a new beginning.
The moment we entered, we liked the ambience, we liked the wind flowing all the time 24/7.
यहाँ पे बहुत हरियाली है, बहुत अच्छा लगता है और बाजू में उल्लास नदी है.
And even the kids play area is very nice. My kid is very happy. I have 3 years old daughter. She is very happy playing in this park, as I said.
आणि वाढत गेल्यानंतर आम्हाला त्यांची मैत्रीण झाली, जमा झालो, आम्ही सगळे एकत्र आलो आणि इथे बाहेर संध्याकाळच्या वेळेला बसायला आलो. वारा इतका होता की लोकांना असं वाटायचं घरी जाऊच नाही, इथेच बसून राहावं संध्याकाळी.
यहाँ पे हम लोग सब लोग हमारे एज के मिलके हम लोग बहुत एंजॉय करते हैं और बाजू में योगा है, यहाँ पे सब जन मिलके हम योगा करते हैं.
यहाँ पे आने के बाद ऐसा फील होता है कि इट्स अ वेरी गुड प्रॉपर्टी. मौसम यहाँ पे अच्छा है, हरियाली बहुत है. There is all over greenery when I see from my flat.
If we talk about the amenity for this building, I think the builder what promised has given us. If you talk about the wide road, if you talk about the garden, if you talk about gym, clubhouse, fire safety and security, water connections which is like always available. If you talk about the power backup for the lift.
Ample parking space and so wide roads within the building. I mean, I couldn't ask for more.
Regarding connectivity, the connectivity is also very good as we have the connectivity towards Mumbai. If you want to go to Thane station, it is just like 25 minutes away from here. And even in the Eastern Highway also very close, and a lot of malls and parks are here nearby.
It's a gated community where you have so many security people around. Every lobby has a security, every lobby has a CCTV. Not only that, the main gates are covered with the CCTV. So all the movements of pedestrians, children, vehicle movements are covered.
The builder Jain is a very down-to-earth, very honest builder. Whatever he has promised, he has delivered this, and very ethical and very, we can reach to him at any time. So he listens to us and everything. Fantastic person.
I would like to say something about the builder Deepak Jain, who is one of the leading real estate tycoon nowadays. I have not seen a builder like him because I am working with the builder line. So I know builders around. Lodha is there, Hirandani is there, Raheja is there. But I have seen Deepak that he is very much down to earth, and he is very much polite when he talks. Not only that, he understands the people's problem and also gives a solution to them.
If we talk about our builder, Mr. Deepak Jain, I can say he is a man of action. Who promise, he delivers. He is very open to all the ideas. When we give any ideas, like we would like to implement this, and he listen it, and whatever possible, he implement it.
One more thing which is very good over here is the festival. One of the thing is about the Harmony Carnival which happens every year.
You have food stalls, you have games, you have children participating. In fact, even elders participate, which is a good social get-together.
All the festivals are celebrated very nicely in harmony. Diwali, Ganpati, Navratri, each and every festival is celebrated very nicely.
बहुत बड़ा मिनी इंडिया है यहाँ पे.
All community people are basically living here, and so they also participate. It's really like a big family living with all different kind of religious people together.
तो कस्टमर अपना हार्ड अर्न मनी लगाता है फ्लैट में. वो टाइम पे उन्होंने 35 lakhs में 2 BHK लिया था. आज उसका वैल्यू अराउंड 4 साल के बाद 90 lakhs तक हो गया है. सभी कस्टमर, सभी हारमनी रेसिडेंट्स काफ़ी हैप्पी है. सभी फैसिलिटी उनको मिल रही है. नियर बाय स्कूल हो गया है, मॉल हो गया है, और ये सब देख के हमें काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है कि हमने भी एक अच्छा प्रोडक्ट बनाया है और डिलीवर किया है.
The property which we saw here at Harmony, it was one of the best properties, I would say, because we liked it at one look. मतलब जो स्पेस दिया हुआ है घर का, एक भी कोना मतलब वेस्ट बिल्कुल नहीं जा रहा था.
In the apartment you have your dry areas, your flower beds, then your Jaguar fittings, toilet fittings, accessories.
Bedrooms are comparatively bigger as compared to the other projects.
When I went inside the room, it was really very good. I mean, in the flat it was very good and very spacious. I find the layout very impressive, and I could connect myself with this particular layout.
Proper 2 BHK, it's very spacious. You get a very good kitchen, very nice dry area, and the windows are so wide in every bedroom.
Once you enter the house, you directly see the unrestricted view of the Yor Hills, which really attracted us towards it. इतना स्पेशियस घर और कहीं हमने नहीं देखा जितना हारमनी में मिल रहा था हमें.
So I think the flat is very fantastic and beautiful.
And it's like a dream home for us.
Come experience the world of ours.
We are living in pride and we are living in harmony.
So we are living in pride,
living in harmony.
We are living with pride, we are living in harmony.
We are living in pride, we are living in harmony.
Living in pride, living in harmony.
Live in pride, live in harmony.
We are living in pride, we are living in harmony.
I love